In this video, I'll show you how to customize your BlueSky account. So as you can see, this is the BlueSky app on my phone and I'm signed up to or signed into my account. And to customize your account, you need to go here at the very bottom. You'll see a row of options, the home, search, DMs, notifications, and an avatar with the music icon. This is my account. In here, I can view my name and my handle. And to edit them, simply tap on edit profile next to it. Here I can edit my display name, so I can display as the Beast, for example. And here I can say anything about myself, so let's edit it. Here I can add description. I can here change my photo, so I can remove avatar, upload from library, or upload from camera to add photo. I can add a cover photo, also uploaded from camera or from my library. And okay, sorry, here I don't need to discard, and save the changes. Okay, and now as you see, my name is now updated. However, my handle stays the same. And now if I go back to home, tap on the three lines here at the top left, and then tap on settings, and then tap on account. And here I can change my email, I can change my birthday, password, or if I tap on handle, here I can change my handle. So for example, let's make it John Smith, like 22234, save. And if I go back home to my account, and as you can see here, my handle is changed. Now I can still, if I go back to settings and then account and then handle, I can add my own domain name instead of the .bsky.social, which is added by default or given to me by default. This is like the basic domain or handle name by BlueSky. If I have my own domain name, I can add it. So that'll be, for example, johnsmith.mydomainname.com. And to do so, I need to tap on I have my own domain, add the DNS records to my domain provider, and all will be set.